YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is currently Monday morning at 10:40 in the AM and I actually just woke up literally 10 minutes ago, and I didn't go to school today because we have like an early release day. So if you go to school for like a normal period of time, then you get out like half the day, but because I only go for an hour, I would have literally been going to class for 30 minutes. It is just so beyond stupid for me to wake up, go to class for 30 minutes and come home. So I'm skipping. Yesterday was also my 18th birthday, so I decided might as well just like treat myself. On this Monday morning, I'm not going to school, but I am going to the gym right now because normally I go to the gym straight after school, but because I have time and I have to work tonight, I thought it'd be much more fun to get an early start and not just like lay in my bed all day, because that's what I would do. Like if I didn't have to go to school today, I would literally just lay in my bed until I have to go to work, but I'm trying to create more healthy habits and get out of bed early. I know I even got to sleep in. Like this is sleeping in, but I'm still like so tired. Whatever. For my breakfast, pre-gym, whatever, snack, I just have a rice cake with peanut butter and then a plain rice cake. I don't know if I'm gonna eat this one. You guys know I'm not a very big breakfast person, but if I go to the gym on an empty stomach, I literally feel so sick. So I have to like force feed myself, and I would much rather force feed myself something easy than like feel super sick while I'm lifting. So we're gonna start here. Hopefully I can eat this, but if not, this is okay. At least it has carbs, it has simple carbs and protein and healthy fats, which is perfect for a pre-gym snack. So we've got to pick out a gym outfit, and Gymshark is actually sponsoring this video, so thank you so much to Gymshark for sponsoring. And they actually are launching and just launched 3 new collections, and when I tell you guys these might be my favorite gym collections ever, I'm like actually not joking. First being the rest day sweat collection. Let me grab them. The amount of times I have already worn these sets is crazy. You guys know if there's one thing I do, it's I live in comfy clothing. And the rest day sweats have to be the most comfortable pair of Gymshark clothes I've ever put on my body. So these are already on the site. If you want to shop them, just click the link down below. But they're these super comfy sweatpants, and they have the little Gymshark logo right here. I love this one. This is like a lighter gray, and then they also have a matching sweatshirt, and they also have the same collection in this like a little bit darker kind of tan brown color. This is the sweatshirt with the hoodie, and it also has the little Gymshark embroidered right here. So the rest day sweats are some of my favorites. Like I have not taken these off my body since I received them. I love these sweats. If you're into comfy clothes, this would be what I would buy. And then they're dropping the Flex and Energy Seamless collections on January 27th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 7 p.m. GMT. I think my favorite from the Flex collection has to be this black long sleeve. It's super tight and so comfortable. I wore it to school the other day and made a TikTok, and the amount of people who commented on that TikTok asking me where I got my shirt from, Gymshark. So it's like this black long sleeve, and then it has this little Gymshark right here. The coolest part is in the back, it has a little circle cutout. This shirt is so comfortable, and it makes me feel just like a little baddie, like a tight little long sleeve, but like gym wear because it's comfortable. And then this is one of my favorite sports bras from them, also from the Flex collection. It has this waistband that like is so super tight and cinches you in. And look at this little long sleeve jacket. It's tight, it's gray, it's tight, it says Gymshark right here, but the best part has to be the thumb holes, because who doesn't like thumb holes? This is so super cute, and it zips all the way up and down. So the Flex collection is amazing as well. And then we have Energy Seamless, which I don't know if I love the rest day sweats or the Energy Seamless better, because the Energy Seamless is, oh my gosh, it's everything you could want and more. It feels like butter when you're wearing it because it's so silky smooth and soft. Here are a pair of black shorts that I got. I have the same ones in white, but I already wore them, and they're my new favorite gym pair. So the fact that I also have black is insane. Look, they also have like this cute little ribbing detail on the side with tiny little holes right here. No seams, so comfortable. I also got leggings, so I have the pink. It's literally like the shorts are the version of the leggings. So the shorts and the leggings are exactly the same. These are just longer, and obviously those are shorter, but the pink is so cute. It also has those little holes down the side. I already wore these and I'm obsessed with them. Here's the matching sports bra bra to the white shorts. Look how cute this is. And it's so comfy. Like you could, I wish you could feel how stretchy and comfortable it feels like. It feels like you're wearing nothing, which like is the best part. And this sports bra is so super supportive. Like I have pretty big upper area and that made me feel super tight and supported. So I love the Energy Seamless collection so much. I love all the collections. So if you want to shop Gymshark, click the link down below. Remember that Flex and Energy Seamless dropped this January 27th. I'm gonna pick out an outfit now. I think I'm gonna go with these black shorts, but thank you so much to Gymshark for sponsoring this video. Alrighty vloggers, this is the outfit that I decided on today for leg day. Full Energy Seamless collection. I have the white top and the black shorts, and I'm just gonna throw a t-shirt over it because I don't like to go to the gym in just sports bra and shorts, and I know I'm gonna freeze because it's literally 30 degrees outside. So these shorts are literally so comfy. Everything is so comfy. Like I'm just like chilling right now. So if you haven't watched my birthday vlog, you wouldn't know I got my belly button pierced, and I was afraid that wearing shorts, because pretty much all gym shorts are like high-waisted. It's very rare to find gym shorts that aren't high-waisted, like because they're all biker shorts. So I was afraid that it would like irritate my belly button, but it's been 2 days since I got it pierced and it doesn't hurt at all unless I like hit it, bonk it, you know, or like clothing continuously rubs up against it, but it's doing fine right now. So we're all good. I'm ready to go to the gym, feeling good. I only ended up eating the one rice cake, but I'm just like, my stomach does not want it, you know? So now it's 11:15. I had to upload some like video, do some stuff, so that's why it's a little bit later. But I'm gonna grab an energy drink, grab an Alani Nu, and we're gonna drink this on the way to the gym just so I can have a little bit more energy because I'm still exhausted. But let us go. My car can't be the only one that's like this. I got Starbucks and the Starbucks was not very good, and so it's still here. I have a shaker bottle, and now I'm just going to add my Alani Nu to my third cup holder. Oh, in here there's a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I lost the cap. My car is such a mess. It always is. Literally all three of my cup holders are full. I'm just gonna throw this lipstick in here and pretend like I have the cap. I'm honestly so excited to hit legs today though, and if you're wondering why I haven't put a high pony in my hair, I want to try and keep these curls for work because I have to like look nice at work, like it's one of the rules, and I feel like the curls are super cute, so I don't want to get them all done. I don't want to make them ugly at the gym, so I'm gonna try and keep it like out of my face, in the back. I look like a little egg from the front, but like hopefully the curls will be able to sustain my workout, and if not, I'll just wash my hair, whatever. But yes, let's go hit some legs. Okay, y'all, I've made it inside of Tap Out, which is my gym, and I'm removing all my rings. But if you guys remember Quincy, he was a trainer at the gym and like my best freaking friend here. I love Quincy. I've been here longer than Quincy was, but he recently just left Tap Out to go work for himself. I'm missing him here. It's not the same without him, but it's all right. I just wanted to preface that because I know a lot of people are gonna be like, where's Quincy? Gone. He left me. Shaker bottle, blender bottle, gonna put my AirPods in. Y'all, I literally, look how ratchet my keychain is. It's broken right here. There's holes on all of it and it doesn't zip anymore. So I'm always constantly worried if my cards are gonna fall out because I just broke the zipper. Okay, well now it definitely won't zip. So let me know where I can get a new one of these. I don't want another Vera Bradley one because I don't like the design, but it's literally so disgusting. Like, you know how embarrassing it is to like whip out to pay for something and you have to whip out that ugly, disgusting looking keychain that now has no zipper? Let's gonna get my AirPods. So I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog here simply because boys at the gym, all my friends, and I don't really wanna vlog them unless, I don't know, I don't wanna vlog with them like here unless more of them show up because then it's less awkward. So I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hair today. It's getting a little greasy. Here's what I look like right now. I got them shorts on, them cute Gymshark shorts. Okay, let's go hit some legs, baby. Holy freaking moly. Y'all, I haven't squat in so long because I feel like you guys know this. I have really bad lower back pain. I've had it since I was an all-star cheerleader years ago. And then it of course enhanced with lifting just because you're putting pressure on muscles and all that. And so I just stopped squatting for a really long time just to give my back a little break. And today I squat for the first time in probably like 3 months. And wow, that humbled me. That really humbled me because my squat is just nowhere near what it used to be. I used to be able to squat 235 and that was like my max. And I was doing 135 for reps and like that was like a struggle. Like my max squat right now, if I could guess, it would probably be like 185, which isn't bad. It's just so much less than what my old max used to be. It's kind of discouraging, you know. That was a fast workout though. That was like 45 minutes. I don't know, I like was really tired after squats because I haven't done them in so long. I forgot how much like muscle force that takes and like how like tiring squats are, especially when you start with like a bunch of sets of them. I am so incredibly sweaty. There's no way I can't wash this hair because that was really hard. That was a good workout though. I'm sweaty, but here's the thing. My stomach is like kind of hungry, but my stomach hurts. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry or just because it hurts. This is like a problem that I face every day. Like hot girls just have stomach issues and that's like the end of it, period. So chronic taco, which you guys know is like my favorite. It's like Chipotle but better. It's right there. And I haven't had chronic in like 3 weeks. And so I really think that might be the move. But also if my stomach hurts and I eat chronic, it's gonna hurt so much more. Yeah, my belly button piercing kept rubbing against these shorts and I really got to clean it because I'm afraid like sweat's gonna get in it and like infect it and like we don't want all that. So low-key, should I go to chronic? It's lunchtime. It's 12:30. I'm broke right now, guys. Don't skip the ads. Don't skip the ads because I need it. Okay, I think I might go get chronic, but my stomach hurts. Y'all, look how cute I was on my birthday yesterday. My dad got me crumble cookies. You guys gotta watch my birthday vlog. It was cute. And if you didn't go see my picture on Instagram, you better go see it. I looked adorable. Let's go to chronic. Y'all, look, tap out is right here. That's my gym, and chronic is literally right there. Like, this is so painful for me. Also, after being so sweaty at the gym, it feels so good to like be in the cold. May I have a bowl, please? White rice. I secured the bag, quite literally, and now I'm gonna devour this and go take a shower. Actually, I don't know if I want to take a shower. Do y'all see how gross this room is? I feel like a part of my brand now is just having a messy, disgusting room. Like, this is awful. It's fine though, we'll clean it eventually. It's time to take a shower because I feel disgusting. I hate taking showers so much. I got to do it. So I want to show you guys the shampoo and conditioner. So I love L'Oreal. I use a ton of their products, like makeup products. I'm not sure if it's L'Oreal, but I'm pretty sure they might test on animals. I don't know if it's L'Oreal or not. Please correct me. If it is, that's not okay, and I don't love L'Oreal anymore. But they did send me the shampoo and conditioner in PR, and it's awful. So if they do test on animals, that's bad, and so is the shampoo and conditioner, and I want to tell you about it. I used this the day before my birthday, so I showered Friday. I used this Friday, washed my hair at night, shampoo and conditioner, and then Saturday, I had the most greasy, disgusting hair I've ever had in my entire life, and I had washed it like 6 hours previous. All I did was sleep, and I woke up and my hair was disgustingly greasy. So do not buy this shampoo and conditioner. It's awful, and if they do test on animals, then that's even more reason not to support them. So just saying, it's bad. Next thing I want to talk about is Suave. So I've been using this shampoo and conditioner since I was an itty bitty baby. My mom has only ever bought this, and it's fine, but somebody told me that this is like bad for your hair, and I don't know how to take care of my hair. You guys know this. I like very rarely put heat on it. I only had heat on it because of my birthday. All I do is wash it, shampoo and conditioner, like every single night. I pretty much wash my hair every day. But besides that, I don't do anything to my hair. So I want it to like get long again and grow out because you guys know I cut it. So if this is bad for you, what is a good drugstore shampoo and conditioner? Because I'm not gonna spend a ton of money on like Olaplex. I know that's like good. I don't care that much. So what's a good drugstore shampoo and conditioner? Somebody let me know. That's my question of the day. I think I'm gonna start questions of the day because I did it in my last vlog and I loved reading your guys' responses. That was so fun. So question of the day, what is a good drugstore shampoo and conditioner? Thank you so much. Okay, now we're gonna turn the shower on and take a shower. I've decided that since I'm trying to have a productive day while my hair is drying, I'm gonna pick up my room a little bit because it's literally awful, like so bad. My drawers still won't close. I have so many clothes all over the floor. I'm just gonna like clean up a little bit, and then after that I'll have to get ready, and then I'm gonna hang out with a friend before work. So yeah, that's the plan. Cue the time lapse. Time to clean this room. 10 times better and more productive now that my room is a little cleaner than it was. This is your sign to clean your room, make your bed, do something that will make you feel better. I already feel so good. Like today I woke up relatively early. I got my workout in, nourished my body, took a shower, cleaned my room. Now I'm going to unfortunately have to get ready, which kind of really sucks. Gotta do what you gotta do to make money at work. Gonna go spend some quality time, then I'm gonna go to work. So today has just been a really great day. If you're wondering when I'm gonna do school, I'm hoping that work will cut me early because I've been working till close every single time, like the last few weeks. I've been letting other people get cut early. Like if it's not super busy, then they'll let one of us go home, and I've been letting like the other person go home. So hopefully if it's not super busy, I can come home and I can do some homework, just because I'm not gonna have any time to do it today, like right now. But if not, then I'll just do my homework tomorrow, because tomorrow's the only day I don't have work. I'm working Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week, so I will do it tomorrow and Tuesday. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. They sent this to me and it's literally so good. I just started using it. My skin feels like insanely amazing. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna watch Euphoria because last night episode 3 came out and I didn't get to watch it because it was my birthday, and I'll see you guys in a second because I know you don't want to watch me put makeup on.
Hi, I'm Katie's friend.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh. Hello guys. I'm answering an email, but I made it to my friend Drew's house. Oh my gosh, my tattoo appointment. Ooh, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this studious person.
We're doing a what isn't Katie's bag. Absolutely nothing.
There's a folder and a book. This is so good. I'm like halfway through. Just kidding, not halfway through. But it's really good.
It's terrible.
No, it's not. It's really good. You should read it. I'm just kidding, you'll probably hate it. It's about a woman and her 7 husbands. Alrighty, so I'm standing at the front desk right now. Hayden's with me and he's gonna be running food and doing the bays to start, and then we'll switch. But apparently I got told I can't leave early, which is not fair because I haven't left early in a really long time. What is that? That's an awful.
Oh, so it was not good?
Did you see that? That was awful. Oh, do it.
Alright, get on your own simulator.
So I go here and I turn the simulator, I exit the game so it goes back to the home screen, and then you put all the equipment away, the clubs, the golf balls, any other sports equipment. This is what I do all day long, all shift long. You put that there, the tee, and then you put the golf ball on it. I wish you guys could tell how pretty it is. It's always in this little sunset that we can see at work. It's so pretty. I love the sky right now. It's beautiful. Welcome to Fairway. This is what you get. Look at this. It's 6:09 and I'm out of here. To my car we go. It's crazy. Short shift, very short shift. I'm home now, and for the rest of the night, all I'm gonna do is read my book because I really wanna make some more progress on this. I just haven't had the time, but if you have not read The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, I highly, highly recommend. It is so good so far, so I'm gonna read. I just haven't had the time to read it recently, and I'm only like 100 pages in. I wanna read some more. And I'm going to do some homework on my laptop. So that's the rest of what I'm gonna do for the night. Bella will probably come over a little bit later. I don't know how much I'll vlog, just because it's gonna be the same thing that you guys always see me do. I put back the same comfy clothes I was wearing on earlier, because thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I hope you had an amazing day, and I hope that you take this as inspiration for your next day to be productive. Do something that you have been putting off, whether it's going to the gym, doing a skincare routine, cleaning your room, make your bed, whatever it is, do something that you haven't want to do, but that you know will make you feel better if you do it. So I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below and follow all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you to Gymshark for sponsoring this video. Always smile. New merch coming soon. Okay, bye, I love you. Mwah.